The main problem in studying smart money concepts is the dramatic lack of learning materials, especially the books. In this video, I will present you the only smart money concept book that you need to master SMC trading strategy. We will go through the content of the book and look inside. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. The book that I recommend you is written by me. It is called Smart Money SMC by Vasily Trader. Please study the content of the book. Here you can see the complete list of all the topics that are inside. The book starts with explaining the absolute basics of SMC trading. You will learn how the institutional traders, the hedge funds, the banks operate on the market. You will study the notions of supply and demand and the market liquidity. Every definition is accompanied by the dozens of real examples on Forex and Gold. Here's the chapter about liquidity and liquidity zones. It starts with the basics, explaining what is the market liquidity. Then it dives deeper into explaining the concept of liquidity zones. It teaches you how to identify the liquidity zones properly and how to draw it using the proven technical analysis techniques. You will learn all the essential terms of smart money concepts: the inducement, order block, liquidity grab, liquidity sweep, the traps, fair value, and imbalance. For example, in this chapter, I explain the market manipulations and how smart money are manipulating different financial markets. You can see that every explanation, every definition is accompanied by the real market analysis. You can see that in the price chart, you can find all the important events that occurred that are important for understanding the theory. After completing the beginner's materials, you will get a complete SMC trading strategy and advanced trading tips. You will get a step-by-step trading plan that will help you to properly execute the market analysis and identify a profitable trading signal. Here's the in-depth explanation of the trading strategy. I always start the explanation with the market analysis and with the things that you should look for when you're looking for a profitable smart money concept signal. You can see that I explain what you should look for, then where should be your precise entry level, where should be your safe stop loss, and where should be the target level for the trade. With more than 150 pages of learning materials, dive in studying smart money concept strategy. Get the complete beginner to advanced book and master SMC trading. For more info, visit the official book page and ask in the comment section if you have any questions.